If you loved wireless communication, you can find different wireless communication modules. But if you want simple and cheap module, there is only one option, 433 MHz RF module. But there is a common problem with these modules, noise. If you use a microcontroller, it is not a big deal, but when you use it with simple HT12D or encoder IC, it is not work correctly. In this video, I will describe you how these common RF modules work in short and how to rectify the RF signal without microcontroller. This type of RF module works based on amplitude shift keying or ASK. Frequency and phase of the carrier signal are kept constant at 433 MHz. If you want to send digital signal 1, then the carrier signal will be transmitted. Receiver module works based on the three simple functional blocks: rectifier, filter and comparator. Heart of the receiver module is single LM358 IC. Where transmitter module has no IC, it uses two transistors and a single 433 MHz crystal. For sending or receiving of complex data, there is two main options, microcontroller and the decoder-encoder IC. Using microcontroller like Arduino, it just works fine. For use those decoder and encoder IC, you can find many circuit diagrams all over the internet. When you build a transmitter and receiver with HT12D decoder and HT12B encoder IC and power it up with 5V power supply, you may find communication between transmitter and receiver is not smooth. As a result, range is not good enough. I made two boards with HT12D decoder and encoder IC based on the circuit diagram available all over the internet. I have no resistor near 50 kilo ohm, so I attach a external potentiometer for set the operating frequency of the decoder IC and attach a LED to its status output pin 17 of the HT12D decoder IC. To find out the problem, first I remove the receiver and the transmitter module from HT12D decoder and encoder IC, then connect the data wire directly between decoder and encoder IC and find there is no problem. Status output gives a high output all the time, that means connection is good. Then I attach transmitter and receiver module to breadboard. Connect the LED to the data output pin of the receiver module through a 100 ohm resistor by applying 5V to data input pin of the transmitter module and find out that when send no signal through the transmitter module, output of the receiver module not goes to 0 or near about 0. By connect to a multimeter, find out that when send no signal, data output voltage from the receiver module is about 1.5V and when send signal, data output voltage is about 3.9. I try to smooth the power supply with capacitor, but result was not so good. Finally, I decided to rectify the signal by a op-amp IC. I use LM358. I make a op-amp circuit on a breadboard, use a 10K potentiometer to adjust voltage for comparing. Attach the receiver module and tune its comparator voltage to give a logic high output when it receives signal. Otherwise, output goes to 0V. After sending signal through the transmitter module, it works as I thought. At last, connect my ST12D decoder IC through a jumper wire and connect the encoder IC to the transmitter module like mentioned before. Again, power it up with 5 volt. This time transmission is smooth as well as the range is also increased. I hope you enjoy this video and learn something new.